Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to update the Vrbo app in 2025. Whether you're a frequent traveler booking your next getaway or just managing your listings, keeping your app updated ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. Let's jump right in. First things first, updating the Vrbo app is quick and easy, and it works a bit differently depending on whether you're on an iPhone or Android device. If you're an iOS user, start by opening the App Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down to see available updates. Look for the Vrbo app in that list. If it's there, just tap Update next to it. While that's happening, make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using up your mobile data. For Android users, head over to the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture in the top right, then select Manage Apps and Device. Under the Updates Available section, find Vrbo and hit Update. If you don't see it, search for Vrbo in the search bar and check for any pending updates. This process usually takes just a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Now, a few tips to make this smoother. Always ensure you have enough storage space on your device before updating. Apps can get larger with new versions. If you run into any issues, like the update not downloading, try restarting your phone or checking your internet connection. Oh, and for hassle-free updates in the future, go to your App Store settings and enable automatic updates for apps like Vrbo. There you have it. That's how you keep your Vrbo app up to date in 2025. By doing this regularly, you'll enjoy a seamless experience with all the newest enhancements. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.